Hey Glam fam, today I am doing my Christmas look for 2019 and I'm starting off with this yellow color from the Revolution palette, and as you can see it didn't show up, so I didn't like it. This palette is very pigmented but it separates, so that was a bummer. I mean, it still came out cute, but I had to do some extra stuff to it and I was not very happy about that because I had a different vision for this look. But I'm gonna go in with this. It's more like it looks green on the screen, but I promise y'all it's more like turquoise color, and I'm gonna put a green on top of it. I'm just using it for my transitioning color. And so yeah, but I was very upset because it's pigmented, but it's like very soft and it just separates. Like, I don't know, some of the color separates, like the black and the yellow. Oh, they was bad. The black and the yellow is horrible. But yeah, and right here I'm going to take my is this my 24K or the nude palette? It's one of them, but I'm taking the black out of the Maybelline palette. And let me tell you, Maybelline did their thing on these palettes because I love all of them. They're very good and very affordable. So I'm just taking the black out of here to like smoke it out a bit because I'm going to add some glitter later. And yeah, make sure you blend. It's all about the blending because right now it probably look a hot mess, but I promise you, once you blend everything together and get the final look, it'll pay off. And for my glitter, I'm going to use my Ben Nye glue. And y'all, please, if you are not a makeup artist or you really don't do makeup like that, and you know you're just practicing, or you know just don't really use eye glue or anything like that, this Ben Nye glue is good. I like it, but it burns. So do not get it in your eyes, please, because you will put your eyes out, and you know you have to be careful how you put it on. Don't put it too close to your eyes because it burns. But it's the best glue. I love it. I don't use nothing else. I have other eyeshadow glues or whatever, and well, glitter glues, I'm sorry, but I don't use them. I just use this one. And right here, I'm going on top with my translucent powder. And I'm just sitting here thinking, like, I really like this powder, but I just had to find the right color that was for me. Now, this one has like a kind of pinkish undertone, but I also put another powder down before I use this one, and I will be putting everything in the description box below so you guys will know what all I use and what works for me. And what works for me may not work for you, and then again it may will. Never know. But yeah, I'm just sitting here thinking, like, I like this, you know. I mean, it's $5 at Walmart or $5.99, something like that. I'm gonna say $5.99 to be on the safe side, but it's very affordable and it doesn't show up ashy. It doesn't give you that ghostly look, so that's the main thing I like about it. And then for it to be $6 and some change, you really can't beat that. still wet, so that's why it didn't go on right. And it's very matte. It's like it's a retro MAC lipstick. This is the Ruby Woo by MAC, which is my favorite red. Like, don't no red in the world beat this. Like, I have tons of reds, and I just can't find one that's better than this one. Like, period. Ruby Woo is it. And I kind of made a little mess with my concealer, but of course I cleaned it up, fixed it, and got everything together. Ugh, see, I made a mess. Look, ugh, I was so mad. I thought I was gonna mess up my makeup look, but hey, a true makeup artist know what to do, baby. Period. So that completes the look, and I love it. I love it. I love it. And yes, my earrings fell out simply because I didn't put the back on them. I mean, I just really put them in for this video, but we gonna get it together. It's okay. Look at that glitter. Oh, it's a glitter from NYX. Like I said, I'm putting everything in the description box below. I don't forgot the name of it. It was a holiday combination I had bought one year, like 3 years ago. But yeah, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys later.
The way someone is talking, and there